Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin McCurry. Welcome to Whitney Plaza Garage, where Gums and Gumption builds dreams.
Most people see an old pallet, some scrap cable, and a bucket of rocks. I saw a waterfront turtle property. Welcome to the SS Turtle. We've got a pond on the ranch, and we've got turtles. I just rarely see them. And if you've got turtles, they need a place to climb out, warm up, and sit around like they own the place. So I built them a little floating turtle raft, ranch style. Some recycled pallets, 2x4 scraps, leftover cable, and a used bucket, and some recently harvested like new rocks. And of course, some brand spanking new screws. Around here, we don't throw useful things away. We just wait until they become something else. The raft floats high enough for sunshine, but low enough the turtles can actually get on it. One side sits like a ramp, the other side is a little recessed area where they can easily climb in and climb up one step at a time. So either way, both sides lead to high ground and sunshine. Honestly, I don't think I could have designed it much better if I tried. The SS Turtle was towed into place with a sturdy paddle boat. Of course, every good vessel needs a captain, and Captain Marta took command right in the middle of the bridge, exactly where a good captain belongs. Her trusty first mate Gretel was of course right by her side, and ship's propulsion and steerage was handled by their capable deckhand, Dad. The SS Turtle has now officially launched. Now, is it a little silly? Absolutely. But it's also practical. It uses stuff I already had, it gives the turtles a better place to bask, and it also makes the pond a little better than it was before. That's ranch life. You don't just take care of cows, tractors, fences, and equipment. You take care of the whole little ecosystem that lives around you. So there it is, one recycled turtle resort floating proudly in the pond. We'll see if the local residents approve. I can't imagine they won't. Well, time to moose on. Whitney Plaza Garage in Gumption, thanks for watching.